It's beautiful out here, guys. Early in the morning, I mean, it's got clouds everywhere outside, but hey, that is a-okay. But here is the entering the Badlands National Park sign, and I'm about to go to the entrance, which is right down there. But off the bat, when you come in here, it's beautiful out here. It's beautiful. I don't care, even though there's clouds everywhere, but hey, I made it. Over a day drive, but I made it. Okay, I'm going to show you guys 4 simple, easy hikes that you can do that are located in the northeast entrance of the Badlands. These hikes are not that hard. I would be a little bit careful if you're doing these hikes when the sun is out and it's pushing over 90 degrees. But unfortunately for me, I did get lucky with the overcast of a little bit cloudy outside for me to not feel the extreme heat of the sun when I did these hikes. So these hikes were pretty easy for me to do. But I'm not entirely sure if you do these hikes when the sun is out. But let's get into these hikes right now. The first hike we have is called the Door Trail. It's only 0.9 miles, 17 minutes out and back. Where are we even going with this? See how long? Look how fast you can get lost in here. That's why they have markers, and then they label it 4, so you'll know. Okay, this is 4. I need to go back. Start at to 1. It's pretty smart. They're very smart out here to do that for us. Now they say you can go out here and go off the beaten path, but I'm gonna tell you this right now. No, I'm not. This is 4, so that's 5. I mean, it's beautiful out here, guys. I mean, right now when the sun is not beaming you to death, it's really beautiful. And look at it. It's like got the popcorn look, but it's like it's really hard and solid out here. Like the same thing with this. But this is why you wear sneakers. I mean, well, you can wear sneakers if you have the grip. I mean, really hiking sneakers and hiking boots, because this is you can technically you wear hiking boots because you wanted to grip your ankle. Because if you can roll your ankle out here, easy. End of the trail. I'm not sure what they're talking about. Go off the beaten path. Where? Where are you going off the beaten path of nowhere? It's a cliff. The next trail we're doing is called the Window Trail. This one is 0.3 miles. It's only 6 minutes and is very easily accessible to wheelchairs and mobile equipment and also strollers as well. So it's an easy hike that anybody can do. It's not that far from the actual Door Trail. And this is the next one into the line of trails you want to do when you come to the Badlands. So you got the Door Trail. Now you want to do the Window Trail. And then next you'll go to the Notch Trail. So I'm going to show you guys right now. So this is the more popular trail in the Badlands, which is called the Notch Trail. And this one is 1.5 miles. It's 34 minutes out and back. But on this hike, you're going to run into the ladder. This is a popular ladder one. You have to climb up to get to the other side and to finish the hike. So I'm going to show you what the ladder is in this video. There's the ladder. Great, we're at a carnival. I don't know, because it was going to swing that way. That little kid can do it. But, you know, they're lighter. Little. Yeah, that little boy can do it.
You want to put this in? No.
Yeah, I would put the everything, the phone.
I got hiking boots and a backpack.
But you got bigger pockets.
Well, we'll see how far we go. Maybe I'll decide to get off.
Yay! So much fun. That's easy. That's carnival ride easy. No, I'm just playing. I never actually beat that game. Beat that game at the carnival. Always fell. Okay, let's go. Let's go test destiny right now. All right, let's turn this bad boy off and get up here. Wish me luck, everybody. Wish me luck. Oh, made it. That was easy. See, when you're shorter, that's easy to do. When you're taller, it ain't fun. Finally, my hike came to me. See, when I went up that thing like that. See, the kids can do it easy. When you're taller, it becomes more tricky. Yeah. See, like they're all trying to figure out how to get down there. I'll be honest with you, that was the most exercise on this hike I just did, was that. Whew. Now we're at the end of the Notch Trail. Now, like I said, this trail is only 1.5 miles, so it's not that bad. Now, if you look below, that is the Cliff Shelf Nature Trail. Now, that's the next trail that I'm going to show you in this video right now. Now, the next hike we're going to do is the Cliff Shelf Nature Trail, and it's only 0.5 miles. And it should only take you 12 minutes to do the entire loop itself. Now, this is one of the hikes I would highly recommend doing in the morning because A, it's just a beautiful scenery when you see the sun rising. And also you get to have it all to yourself. So this is probably one of the hikes I would say probably wait to do it in the early morning when the sun is rising to get those nice shots. I'm telling you, it is worth it in my book. Now, just to let you know, you want to kind of come this way if you want to just go up here and then stop and then come back. Now, I went all the way around, then I came. Oh my God, look. And look, get water in the morning. That would have never been here during the day. I think it's a dove. I'm not sure if it's what type of deer that is, but. Okay, and then you're back where you started. From the beginning. Yeah, and still beware of rattlesnakes. So that's pretty much the end of the trail. Easy, very easy. Just be careful in the morning because sometimes the moisture here can make you slip. So please don't run. Saw the kid slip on this yesterday. Of course, he had Crocs on. There's nothing to grip it. And he fell and almost sprung his ankle. Of course, the family laughed it off, but just be careful out here. It was an easy hike, guys. Easy hike. So those are the 4 hikes I would recommend doing coming to the Badlands National Park, and they are located in the northeast entrance. So that's going to be the conclusion of the video. I will see you guys later.